You can view tabs side by side in Brave with split view. Just right-click a tab and select Add Tab to New Split View. You can click and drag the line between the two tabs in order to change their length. You can click the split view icon at the top to either unsplit the tabs, close one of the tabs, or swap their positions. Another way to create a split view is to select two tabs, right-click, and then select Add Tab to New Split View. You can also right-click a link and select Open Link in Split View. How are you using Split View? Is it helping you multitask during work? Or just waste time more effectively? Let us know in the comments.